no doubt that Staffordshire is a magnificent county. You only have to watch as the birds flutter around the trees and the deer rut on Cannock Chase under the autumn colours to see that. Yet, despite having the third smallest area of outstanding natural beauty within the UK, when we look a little bit deeper, Staffordshire is ecologically depleted. Much of the county is devoid of the ancient woodlands, moors and wildlife which would once call these landscapes home. In fact, a huge 68% of Staffordshire's wilderness areas are recorded as being in a poor or diminishing state. However, and given the chance, nature could bring our landscapes back to life. Cannock Chase and hundreds of square miles of Staffordshire are not only being overlooked as conservation starting points, but housing, retail and industrial projects spread across the countryside. And what landscapes are left are seemingly barren. Forests are being cleared, woodlands and waterways destroyed by invasive species such as grey squirrels and the American mink, and the heather moors overgrazed so heavily by the overpopulation of fallow deer that the vegetation is damaged to an extent that the ground is liable to erosion. Staffordshire is falling way short of its ecological value, a potential which could support not just a greater abundance of life, but be a benefit economically too. We can't keep draining the life from our landscapes. We need to restore our broken ecosystems, revitalising the land to support more life and to allow nature to retake control of this beautiful county. Despite what the red top media may try to have you believe about bears, wolves and lynx, they're not the focus of rewilding. Rewilding is about repairing the damage we've laid down to our ecosystems, rebuilding those foundations of life, and then taking off the reins and allowing nature to do its thing. By developing informative mini documentaries about Staffordshire's natural history, by running campaigns and initiatives to save, enhance and restore our native wildlife, and by being rewilding advocates, Wild Staffordshire is here to finally give that voice to our living ecosystems and to see this stunning county return to its former glory.